You keep waiting to feel ready, but that day, it's never coming because the real reason you haven't started isn't fear. It's self-doubt dressed up as hesitation. Let's be honest. You don't need more advice. You don't need another quote on your feed. What you really need is to remember who you were before the world made you doubt it. The version of you who didn't flinch. The one who showed up, even when it was hard. The one who believed they were capable. Yeah, maybe life knocked you down. Maybe people told you you're not enough. Maybe your past still whispers, you'll never change. But none of that erased your worth. None of that defines your future. And the truth is, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. You just need to show yourself what you're really made of. Faith in yourself doesn't mean you always feel strong. It doesn't mean the doubt goes away. It means you act anyway. You move anyway. You fight. Especially when no one's cheering you on, that's real faith. That's power. It's trusting your future self, even when your present self is shaking. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you think you'll lose, you've already lost. If you think you're outclassed, you are. Because you can't rise if you never decide to. Success doesn't start with talent. It starts with belief. It starts in the mind. And you control that. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. You become ready by moving. You don't need all the answers. You just need a decision, a moment of courage, a quiet yes. Because every step you take builds the version of you you've been searching for. If this reminded you of who you really are, stick around. This channel is your mental reset. Real talk, no fluff, no pretending. You haven't lost your fire. You've just stopped feeding it.